with a little John. Gotta love 47 Fly, XM there, but not the reason for the video. The reason for the video here is I got the Ag Diesel Solutions programmer put on. This is on level 3, 90 horsepower. As you can see, it's averaging about 13.2. It's steadily climbing, but what is noticeable is it says my speed, let's see, I got the cruise set at 64, and it's basically, with these 37-inch tires, it's about 9 to 10% off when I use the GPS on my phone. So with that being said, before slowing down here, I was doing probably right at about 70, which in return messes with the average miles per gallon as well. So it's probably close to being 10% off as well. So 13.5 is slowly going up. So just say 14 miles per gallon, 10. It's about a mile and a half. It's probably averaging about 15 and a half, 16 miles per gallon at 70. After buying this truck, driving it back from Utah, it averaged about 14, 15. So I would say I probably gained, you know, a mile per gallon, maybe 2 miles per gallon with this so far. You know, I want to see what it does over an average of city and highway driving, and kind of see what it does. But that's just my first thought. It definitely has a little more pep to it. Getting the big tires and wheels moving on this thing, it definitely feels like it has more torque. So here shortly, maybe I can make a little add-on to this video, a little bit of a couple little polls from maybe like 40 to 70 or something like that, just to kind of compare stock setting to the stage 3 and see if you can. You may feel it a little bit in the seat, you know, see if your pants, but I mean, maybe watching it you can see it a little bit more than actually feeling it. But overall, happy. Got the new tires and wheels on, the new Fuel 22s. We'll be getting a picture of it soon. And I'm going back to Little John. See you soon. All right, guys. So this is with the Ag Diesel Solutions program. We're on stage 3. Like I said, should be about 90 horse or so. We're gonna do a roll from 40-ish, probably up to 65, 70-ish or so. We'll see what it does here. So not too bad. I mean, you got to remember the truck's got 37s on it. It's got a 6-inch lift and everything. You know, if I deleted it, put exhaust on it, did, you know, a different kind of program or something like that, of course it'd be, you know, faster. This is just a small programmer. Doesn't void the warranty, doesn't leave any kind of footprint in the system. It basically just fools the sensor and you know, gives you a little more power, a little more fuel economy. So I like it personally. You know, if it helps me a couple of miles per gallon and a little more pep, then you know, for 400 bucks, well worth it for sure. It'll pay for itself eventually. And hey, I still have my warranty, which I've owned this thing for 2 weeks, and I've already used the factory warranty. Condenser went out on the AC first day I had it. So yeah, and then as far as the tire light there, put the new tires and wheels on yesterday, and I had tossed the old ones up in the bed. So I was struggling with relearning the tire sensors with them being in the bed and everything. So basically I need to, when I get back, relearn them. The light just came on, and so I need to relearn them. And then the other issue is the speedo being off. When I took it to the dealer to get the AC fixed under warranty, I actually asked if they would do a recal, and they said yeah, they could do a recal up to so much higher, like a percentage of bigger tire of what comes on the stock. So long story short, they, you know, said that that's what they did. When I picked it up, I pulled my GPS back out, and not a lick of difference. So I don't know if it's something they thought they did, the tech told them they did, they didn't, or what, but I'm still about 9 to 10% off. So, you know, 60 miles per hour, like right now, 60, 61, probably gonna be closer to 66, 67. overall, loving the truck. I will get a video later on today with the tires and wheels, the outside and everything. Next question I'm going to be asking in one of my videos here is what kind of brake pads do y'all run? Because I've noticed when I swapped the wheels and tires that the brake pads were pretty worn, and I was ready to switch brake pads anyways, because with black wheels, man, it seems like they're, I'll drive a day or two and they're always covered with brake dust. So that'll be the next thing. I have a buddy out at ZZ Diesel going to be hooking me up with some brake pads, but I guess I wanted to get some feedback. Leave a comment below. I'll make another video kind of asking, but subscribe, follow, and I'll be posting videos daily or every other day, or just getting some feedback. Thanks for watching.